Are we good? Yep, we're good. Okay, let's see. And let's open our Raptor project. Where did we leave off the last time? All right, cool. Let's have a little light. All right, cool. Yeah. So the last time we started creating our data store smart contract. Okay. Well, what we want to do this time is we just don't want to, you know, blindly just, program our smart contract. We really need to consider, or at least for me, working with smart contracts, we really need to test, test, and test. Now I know that we're gonna make this an upgradable contract. So, um, in that sense, we can fix things after we deploy the contract. We can fix bugs, we can change some things, but still, even if you have an upgradable contract um, on the blockchain, it is still it's not like you can just change. It is mutable, but there are certain limits to it. You know, um, we certainly can't replace the entire contract and change the entire thing. So the point that I'm making is that even if we have an upgradable contract, we still want to test the shit out of our contract. And in other use cases where you don't use an upgradable contract, the more you need to test. So um, if you worked on software development or any kind of like software development, but especially for smart contracts on Solidity, you know how hard it can be to test. Like it's such a tedious task, and uh, it's just a pain in the ass to test. Uh, but in my experience, like if you want to write good shit, you have to like I don't know what's the percentage. If you manually test, you have to bump it up to like 20% coding, 80% testing. Uh, at least that was my experience. Like I don't know, 8 years ago, 10 years ago. But thankfully, we have really good testing tools nowadays. So, especially with smart on Solidity, with hardhat, it's really nice. Um, it gives us very nice tools to work with. Okay, so let's get on writing scripts. So basically, on hardhat, a test is just a JS file, and this is the JS file. Okay. Uh, I'll explain this uh, later as we go along. But what we need to do is let's just set up an automated test file for our um, Raptor smart contract, right? So let's cover. Okay, so I see like I don't know if I want to test the upgradable contact initializer function. I I haven't tried that before, but certainly we can try um setting up automated tests for our create account price, you know, set account price, all of this. We'll cover all of this code in our test. All right. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what we can do. Okay. We can start by creating our test. All right. Raptor v1.js. So in hardhat, that's all that tests are. They're just JavaScript files. So let's see. I mean, we're just gonna copy what it looks like. I don't know what these are. I'll just copy them over. Okay. And then we're gonna describe. All right. So what I usually do is I just break up my tests into several sections so that they're not too crazy big, you know. So the way we do that is we just call the describe function. And what I want this first section to be would be to like cover all the account creation stuff. Okay, so do that, or maybe like for accounts. Yeah, accounts. Yeah, just accounts. Okay. All right. Now the first thing we want to test would be, let's create our fixtures first. So I have to be honest. This will be the first time that I'll be using fixtures on hardhat tests, but yeah, I think this will be I think the fixtures thing is pretty cool. All right, let's see. Async function deployment. Okay. Fixtures that just makes it really easy for us to reuse stuff. Like here. Load fixture. All right. Okay. So let's say on, hang on a minute. Yeah, how do you actually deploy an upgradable contract? Since in our since we're not going to use the usual ethers deploy functions, we are not using ethers to deploy our smart contract programmatically. So do the plugins work? Let me just do a quick search on that. Hardhat testing upgradable contracts. Okay, this looks promising. Oh yeah, it's still the same. All right, let's just do that. So what was that? So we'll just go ahead and import those or require. Okay, and then we can why they're not using pictures. So let's see if we can make this work with the pictures. Okay. What I would be curious is that when a test case calls the load fixture, does it redeploy and rerun this fixture? Let's clear that out. Let's make sure that what load fixture does. Hardhat load fixture, and then that's it redeploy. Time pause. I guess we'll find out. How do you use it? Describe. Oh, it's just an async function. Okay. Function deploy when you. Okay. Async function. Initialize picture. Here we go. All right, that's pretty cool. All right, you guessed wrong. Ethers get signed. Deployer. Once Raptor V1. Okay. Yeah, I'm still not used to deploying via upgradable contracts. Deploy proxy. Okay. There we go. Oh no. But we do not have. Yeah, we don't have it. Just set up road. Okay. We don't have parameters though. So no. Okay. All right. We'll just go ahead and test this fixture. Oh, let's do a console log. Log. Contract address. All right. Let's see if this changes stuff around. Okay. Load picture for the first time. Okay. No, that's just want a console log. Console.log. Let's try it. First deploy. Okay, let's just try that. I just want to try that. Okay, so let's try running this test. The hardhat. Then what was that? Npx hardhat test test. Yeah. You know what? I want to run this in a terminal. So it actually doesn't, it only runs it one time. You can see here the console log is, only appears one time. So it actually reuses the stuff. Maybe just for this scope, I suppose. No, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Okay. All right. Okay. That seems okay. Cool. Okay. What is the first test case that we need to test? Okay. So, all right. The create account price, the default value is 5 Ether, or at least the value after deployment when the contract is initialized. So we need to test that the create account price contract state is equal to 5 Ether. That should work out. Let's delete this. Create account price. Create account price should be equal to 5 Ether. All right, I'm gonna just use Ether here so that because it's what Solidity uses as a unit, but obviously it's gonna be interchangeable with Matic because we're ultimately gonna deploy to Polygon. But yeah, just don't be confused. Like, oh, like 5 Ether. That's you're charging 5 Ether to create an account. No, it's actually 5 Matic. It's just that Ether is the units that Solidity uses. All right. Okay. Cool. Oh, that's nice. Maybe what I want to do is const parse unit parse ether. Yeah, that sounds good. I don't want to like make it too huge, like the code. We can help it. All right, and I want to do this in a terminal. I don't want to do it over here in the built-in terminal. It would be as code built-in terminal. I want to do it in like a separate terminal window, just because it kind of looks nicer. Yeah. Here, and then npx hardhat test Raptor. That should look nice. All right, that is correct. now what we want to test next is we want to see I don't want to call this other account. Let's just say public one. Yeah, I usually just use public one. All right. If public one should not be able to what's my function name? Call create account price. Oh no, set create account price. All right, because we don't want anyone to just, to change the account price. We only want admins to do that. So just a quick recap. The set account price function has an only admin modifier, and that means that the caller needs to be a default admin role, which in this case we only have the deployer. The deployer is the only one who can do that. But maybe we can set up like another admin. Public one and then admin one. Yeah. Let's do that. Admin one. Cool. And now, okay. Yeah. Let's go ahead and finish this test case. All right. Okay, connect. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna change this because this isn't the error message. I should probably do a best practices with errors. I kind of don't like how we're just using hard-coded strings for error messages and Solidity. I think I saw something that wherein you could do that. Let's just see first. Solidity error handling best practices. Okay. So no, it's not what we want. No, that's not it. Error messages. Custom errors. Okay. Yeah, I think I know this. Parameters. Oh yeah, here. Custom errors are defined using error statement. Okay, cool. Okay. Why don't we try that? Error. Yeah, I think this is okay. Did we define it here? Custom error. Definitions. All right. error, not admin. Cool. And then how do we call that? Revert unauthorized. How do we use that with the require? I don't see it. Solidity custom error in require. Can you just call it? Let's see. Where is it? Oh, in the modifier. Can we do that? Oh no. No matching declaration. Oh, maybe we should I actually do not like requires. If not as role. Yeah. I think that's good. So, I think that error code is good. Let's see. Okay. Are custom errors available? No, I don't think so. Then what message would it revert with? Let's just try and run the test. Hardhat will tell us what the error message would be. It reverted with a custom error. Reverted. Okay. I don't know how to test that, so we'll go find out. Validity. I don't know. Hardhat test custom error. Okay, cool. To be reverted with error. Okay. To be reverted. Yeah. Oh, okay. And to be reverted with custom error. Reverted with custom error. Reverted with custom. Bro. Ugh. Custom error. Not to be reverted. No. Yeah. That sounds good. No, bro. That's wrong. Raptor V1. Not admin. God damn, that looks terrible. All right, let's see if that works. Yeah, that worked. What if change things? Yeah, okay. So when doing automated testing, you should periodically like test test the automated test. You need to be very aware of what is going on because it's so easy to implement automated testing just for the sake of it. Like and you won't even be aware that it happens. It just happens naturally. Like you'll just be writing tests and then, manipulating the code just to pass the test instead of actually um testing what matters in your smart contract. So that's what I just did. Like when I tried to change this, I tested if this will fail, because this reverted with custom code assertion. I have never tested this before, so it's a very good practice to test the automated test. Like, yeah, just make sure you're aware of what's really going on with your automated tests. Cool. All right. The next thing that we need to do. All right, public one is not able to set the create account price. So let's see. Create account price should still be 5 ether. All right. And that should pass, like, okay. And then, I mean, we do not have a function to set admin1. Like, yeah. I mean, I'm getting stuck here because I do not want, like, should we allow all admins? Or do we have like a super admin role? All right, let's just create it. At dev super admin role, which can admin at admin accounts. The default admin role is built into OpenZeppelin's access control contract. So that's why we didn't have to set it up. Okay. And what I want to do is set up role super admin role. I mean, okay. Do we really need this? Because the default admin roles can, create. I think we're overthinking this. But yeah. Let's just keep the default admin role. We don't need a super admin role. Okay. Okay, let's create a function that will allow us to grant an admin role to another account. Okay, so do this function grants admin role to a user. Yeah, that should do it. Okay. It admin one should not yet be able to. All right, cool. Yeah. All right. And then we will then grant admin one admin role. Default admin role. Let me just default admin role. Oh wait, I don't think. Yeah, we don't need this because the grant role is already built in. Oh, I'm an idiot. We didn't have to write that. Okay. Yeah. Do we want it at 10 ether really? $10 for an account. Okay. Let's see if I mean these should all pass. No problem. Huh. It's still not admin. Oh, hang on. No. Deployer. Wait. Yeah. What happened there was I didn't use the deployer to grant the role, so the admin one didn't actually get the default admin role. All right, let's see. Let's see. Oh, still not admin. What is going on? Is it actually reinitializing? I would have thought like, yeah. let's check this. Hmm. Alright. Just 1 second. Alright. Okay, let's see what is going on there. I actually want to check this. Wait. Expect. No, I don't want to set the account price. Hmm. Yep. All right, let's see what that does. Let's. Okay. Yeah, it granted it. So, admin one. Let me see. Let's try this. It admin one should have the role should before admin role. Right. Let's see. So does it really? That is so weird. So does it actually redeploy it on every test case? Or I have something wrong? Uh, I mean, it actually. Oh, I'm so confused right now. Okay. Set account price. Mm, mm, so do I have? Yeah. So oh, if I put it over there, that is weird. But right after, so I think it really does redeploy it every time on every test case. But yeah. Mm-hmm. Because over here, when we granted the first time, it actually saved that state, right? I mean, I'll take care of this later. Let's just go ahead and finish the other stuff. All right. Let's see if we can change the create account price, right? Set employer set create account price to, yeah. And then right? But if my theory, if my hypothesis is correct that the contract is redeployed on every test case, then this last test should fail, wouldn't it? I guess we'll see. Yeah, it really does. It really does redeploy it. But that's unexpected. Yeah, it really does redeploy it. Because if you want to test it here, then like if we move it here, look. This then would actually pass. So do that. Yeah. Okay. So I'd have to, I'd have to look into this some more. To make sure that the fixtures, I'd understand loading fixtures in hard hat test cases. But I guess we could leave it at that for now. And I think I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.